Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
Now the next change that you will come across, and this is also for the kits part as well. So to see this change, what I am going to do is I am going to take you to the tools right here and then select this import and export kit. Now you can see there is a thumbnail. Now this thumbnail wasn't there before Elementor 3.12, and to show you this change, let's head over to the Elementor tools right here in 3.11. Click import and export, and you can see only the remove kit option is there, but the thumbnail for the kit isn't there. And now you get the thumbnail as well, so you exactly know which kit you have applied. So these are the two changes that have been introduced for the kits.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.